What's up everyone? Welcome back to Lumen, the detailing channel. We just wrapped up an 800-mile road trip, and let's just say the car is pretty dirty. So today, I'm walking you through my full exterior detail. Wow, that's a rough one to say. Walking you through my full exterior detail process. There we go. From start to finish. And yep, I'm using our brand new Do Anything You Want microfiber towel, which has been a big hit. So if you purchased one, thank you. I hope you're enjoying it. And yeah, so anyway, I'm also gonna be including a surprise bonus I'll show you later in the video. So let's get into it. All right, first thing you want to do is clean the wheels as always. And these wheels are ceramic coated, so let's see how much dirt will come off with just a rinse. Alright, and just by spraying it, look how clean it already looks because it's ceramic coated with CarPro Deluxe. I did 2 coats of that and they stay pretty clean. Anyway, first I'm going to spray the wheels with CarPro Wheel X, which is an iron remover, and then CarPro Retire to clean the tires, and then brush the faces, you know, with dedicated brushes. Of course, you don't want to use these on the paint of your car. And yeah, everyone knows a clean set of wheels adds 69 horsepower. And yeah, that's just science. You can't argue with science. Even though these are ceramic coated, after 800 miles, something's gonna stick to it. And so the way I remove it is I just use a clay bar. I use the CarPro Reset in a bucket as lubricant. And there you go. It's gone. Completely clean. And for the exhaust tips, you're essentially going to use the same tools you used for the wheels, just as long as you do a proper rinse before and after you clean the exhaust tips. That way you're not cross-contaminating, and next time that you use the wheel brush for your wheels, you won't potentially scratch them with the deposits you picked up from your exhaust. Now it's time for the pre-wash. This is everyone's favorite shot to capture on Instagram and TikTok. But here I'm foaming the car down with CarPro Lift, which is a stronger alkaline cleaner that softens up all the road grime from the road trip. And so I will let it dwell for a few minutes. You'll see dirt dripping off without even touching the paint yet. And essentially this step is for reducing swirls during the contact wash. So here I'm going to spray all of it off just to make sure there's no contaminants. And yeah, here we go. Now for the contact wash, we'll be using 2 of my Do Anything You Want microfiber towels, Polish Angel Flake inside the bucket. And yeah, these towels, the Do Anything You Want, super perfect for using it to do your contact wash because it's super soft and it's the perfect size. You can fold it up as many times as you can, possibly, usually 4. And yeah, it's just awesome. The contact wash, I forgot to press record, so it's missing. I promise I did the contact wash with my own towels, obviously. But yeah, anyway, now I'm just rinsing it off. And normally, most normal people would be done here. They'll be drying the car. But no, not me. It needs to be even cleaner than it already is. So here I'm spraying down the paint with CarPro Descale. This will help break down any mineral buildup or leftover grime from the trip. If you want the cleanest possible windows, you gotta try the new Lumen Window Cleaning Drying Towel. I don't know if it's gonna be called that yet. I just made it up just now, but it sounds pretty crazy. Lumen Window Cleaning Drying Towel. Kind of rolls off the tongue. But yeah, anyway, this towel is perfect because it's two-sided. You could use the not so fluffy side to agitate the windows and to make sure they're clean, and then the fluffier side to make sure that there's no streaking or anything. And look at that, so perfect, looks so good. And here's the best part. I'm including the Lumen Window Cleaning Drying Towel for free with every order of the Do Anything You Want microfiber towel. There's no price increase. It's not a bundle upsell. To me, I think it just goes so well together that I just have to include both of them. And now the car is ready to be tucked away for the next road trip. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button so you can watch it again later. Subscribe if you like watching videos that help you learn how to detail. And Yeah, thanks for watching the video. This has been really fun. If you want to grab the Do Anything You Want towel and get the window cleaning drying towel for free, check out the link in the description. Thank you for watching Lumen the Detailing channel. See you at the next episode. Bye bye.